Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will delve into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 17th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and enable the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 16th of January, 2025, our system has ranked SoFi as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.89. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 1.23%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.61% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 40% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 22% and 59%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of nearly 80% over the next year, with potential returns varying from 7% to 91%. This could result in a price range between $17.63 and $31.55 after a year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, Evaluation of SoFi stock downgraded after the last trading session. The SoFi stock price increased by 1.23% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 17th of January, 2025. The price rose from $16.30 to $16.50. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a slight break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.34%, with a low of $16.19 and a high of $16.73. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 16.77% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $658,660,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $17.19, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 4.01%, or 69 cents, below the 52-week high and 41.61%, or $11.76, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price hit $28.26. SoFi Technologies has recently solidified its optimistic outlook for the year 2025, especially in light of notable developments. On January 16th, the company demonstrated robust market momentum following the announcement of a $525 million personal loan deal with PGIM Fixed Income. This deal is expected to enhance its profit margins through a new revolving line of credit. This news is likely to generate immediate investor interest, influencing short-term stock price appreciation. Furthermore, SoFi's performance throughout the year 2024 has been impressive, with a reported 70% annual gain, outpacing competitors like PayPal. This strong performance underscores SoFi's growth potential and can position it favorably as investors look ahead to the upcoming quarterly earnings report. In addition, SoFi's newly launched 2x leveraged ETF, SOFX, amplifies exposure to its stock, drawing in risk-seeking investors and further fueling demand. However, amidst these positive indicators, some analysts are advising caution due to the complexities surrounding SoFi's long-term investment outlook, particularly regarding its lending segments and competition with traditional banks. With a recent board appointment of its CEO to Warner Bros. Discovery, the stock's visibility and credibility are also poised to increase, potentially drawing in more institutional interest. Overall, these developments suggest that SoFi could experience a significant boost in stock price both in the short and long term. But investor caution is warranted given the evolving landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. The price-earnings ratio is rated as a strong sell, and the price-to-book value is also considered a sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly given the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is an overall sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is expected at the levels of $15.08 and $15.60. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Interestingly, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices increased, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. Thus, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, with the stock having fallen by 2.25% since then. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots pointed to a sell signal 22 days ago. Bollinger signals suggested a buy opportunity 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 10 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 93 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 98 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.29 and $14.11. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, SOFI finds support just below today's level at $15.29. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.11 and $13.01. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 54 cents between its high and low, representing 3.34%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $16.60. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a noteworthy level for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi faces its first support level at $15.29. If this support level remains intact, it might represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. engaged in an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same day, Freiberg Stephen J. also conducted an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December 2024, Richelle Jeremy performed an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December 2024, White Derek J. undertook an insider purchase of 148,403 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 55.3. In total, insiders bought 10,332,632 shares and sold 35,074,968 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.91, reflecting a decrease of 3.57%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 21 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi presents several negative indicators, suggesting it might be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it may be wise to treat it as a hold or accumulate position for now while monitoring developments. Our analysis has shifted from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 21st of January, we anticipate SoFi will open lower with a decrease of approximately 2.67 cents, beginning at a price of $16.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.